Satan Kumar Singh. I am State Head Planning, and we are on the site of Critical Care Block in the Mirzapur district, in the campus of ASMC Mahabir Roshni Medical College. Here in front of ours is the Matru Janani Suraksha Kendra building. It's almost G+5, proceeding to our critical care unit. This unit is around 1500 square meter for the plinth area, and as you can see, the footing work is almost 90% completed. Only somewhat part of the 10% is still pending over. Like you can see over here, here are some pile bed that had to be covered up and dig for it. Proceeding further, these pile head covers are already being crushed, and now the footing will be elevated for the column elongation up to the G+2 floors. Moving ahead, here we can see our cover up of the pit for the foundation of clubbing the 4 column in one bed. We are covering up all the things. Here the workers are currently making the grill jali of the raft foundation. The whole column footing over here is around 70 to 73 columns which will be formed, and the next level of this will be the plinth level, for which all these 72 columns will be bind from a tie beam part of structure shall be the plinth of our CCB units. Then there will be elevation of G+2 plus Mumty. Here we are currently observing the overall quantity, overall quality, plus the working nature of our concrete plant. The allotted agency over here is UPRNN, that is Uttar Pradesh Rashtriya Nirman Nigam. And proceeding further, there you can see the procurement of the sand and the coarse aggregate has already been done. For the elongation of these columns, procurement of reinforcement bar and the cover-up bar, and for the tie beam and the columns are also over here. For the pouring and mixing of the slurry, the RCC part, the concrete is also over there of each and every sizes that have been required over here. Also, under this campus, the integrated public health laboratory, that is IPHL, is also being made over here only in the wing of upper floor of district hospital. And the tentative period of this shall be the 18 months from here onwards.